Okay, this is crazy. We're on the strip right now, right? Look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but look. Walgreens. The best. Oh my god. Oh wait. Oh my god, paramedics! Oh, we're gonna die. Okay, anyway. Anyway, like I was gonna say, Walgreens is the best store ever. Yes, this is an advertisement, you know. If Walgreens ever finds out who this is, you should give me money. Because I'm advertising your store. Oh, look at that poster with a naked chick. Oh, I love this strip. It's amazing. The best thing about it is Walgreens, though, of course. Okay, we passed Walgreens. Oh, McDonald's! Mom! Look, there's McDonald's. We can go. Oh.
That McDonald's.
I guess we haven't found a McDonald's yet.
There's like a whole bunch of people with like little hats with like horns on it.
Wait till we're 18, my friend. I'm kidding. That's a joke. I'm kidding, Mom.